This video is meant for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors, so make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Always consult a licensed financial professional for advice on taxes, savings, or investments. Welcome back to Compound Money, where smart investing starts small and grows strong. If you're working with a low income or starting with a small account, this video is for you. Because building wealth with Ethereum doesn't require thousands, it requires consistency, strategy, and belief in the long game. Right now, Ethereum is more than just a coin. It powers smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, and the entire Web3 ecosystem. And while price predictions vary, one thing is clear: ETH has long-term potential. So how do you invest with a small account? Start with dollar cost averaging. That means buying a fixed amount regularly, whether it's $10, $25, or $50 a month. This smooths out market volatility and builds your position over time. Next, focus on education. Learn how Ethereum works. Understand gas fees, wallets, and staking. The more you know, the better your decisions. And finally, stay consistent. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built block by block, just like Ethereum itself. So whether you're stacking small or just getting started, remember, every ETH investor started somewhere. Your journey begins now. Hit that like button, subscribe for weekly insights, and drop a comment. How much ETH are you stacking this month? This is the Compound Money, where small accounts build big futures.